I don't have a camera. I have zero video editing skills. I don't speak Japanese or Spanish. How am I going to make this video?
Hola y bienvenido a AI Studios. Estamos encantados de que te unas a nuestro equipo.
Hi, my name is Sabrina and I work in HR. Today, I need to make an onboarding video for our new hires in Japan and Spain. But there's just one tiny issue. I don't have a camera, I have zero video editing skills, and I don't speak Japanese or Spanish. So how am I going to make this video? It's super easy. All I need is a computer and Wi-Fi. First, I'll log into AI Studios, and now I have everything I need. Since I don't know where to start, I'll grab a nice template. Next, I'll choose an AI avatar. There are over 300 avatars that can speak 80 plus languages. But what if I want to turn myself into an AI avatar? It's pretty easy. All I need to do is record a short video on my laptop, and now I'm an AI avatar. That's pretty cool, right? But for now, I'm going to be using Ian. I'll add in a script. And to make things more interesting, I'll throw in some Shutterstock images and text. Oh, and I can even generate AI images with Midjourney. I'll add some background music. And if I need to, I can even record my screen. Usually, when I'm short on time, I would just upload a PowerPoint file, and AI Studios will convert it into a video in minutes. Now, let's translate this so our team in Japan and Spain can watch it too. I'll pick a language from the menu and the video is almost ready. All I need to do left is to hit export and let AI Studios do its thing while I make myself a cup of coffee.
Hello and welcome to AI Studios. Estamos encantados de que te unas a nuestro equipo. あなたがスムーズに仕事を始められるように、この
Want to
オン
make
ボディング
videos
ビデオ
too?
を
At just $29 a month, you can create unlimited AI videos. Visit aistudios.com today.
aistudios.com